Hello everyone, I hope you had a good spring break. I'm back from Colorado, had a great time, and I was sitting here watching the Louisville game, saw the injury, so my stomach's a little queasy right now if you guys saw it at all. But you don't have to watch this video until Tuesday, okay? Make sure you watch it by Tuesday because we're going to have a quiz over sections 8.1 and 8.3 on Tuesday. We're reviewing Monday, tomorrow, April Fool's Day, for that quiz. But if you want to get a head start, you can. We're going to go ahead and move on to 8.6, which is slope. It's kind of a combination of 8.6 and 8.4. We're kind of jumping around here. But what you need to know about for this section is slope is the ratio of the rise or the vertical change to the run or the horizontal change of a line. And so this is how you find slope. It's the rise over the run of the line. But before we begin finding slope, we're going to figure out what kind of slopes there are. And there's a positive slope to a line. It rises left to right. So if you notice here, from left to right, the line is going up. The next type of slope is a negative slope. This line falls left to right. So it falls from left to right. The next type of line has no slope at all. If you notice, it's just flat. It doesn't rise or fall. It just is a straight line from left to right. And the fourth type of slope is an undefined slope. It's just a straight down line. It's a vertical line, goes straight down. And that's the final type of slope. I found this really neat video on YouTube. I'm going to pause here and I'll pull up the video from YouTube about Slope Dude. Here it is. You guys can find it on YouTube as well. Here's the video.
Welcome to the Adventures of Slope Dude. Meet Slope Dude. He loves to ski. We are going to follow him and he'll teach us some important aspects of slope. This is the course he's skiing today. What he says will teach us about slope. Always remember that Slope Dude always skis toward the right or eastward. When he starts out, he's going uphill. It's hard work. He says puff, puff, positive as he goes up the mountainside. Puff, puff, positive. Puff, puff, positive. Now he's at the top. It was puff, puff, positive all the way up the mountain. But now he can look forward to the downhill. On the way down the mountain, he says, nice, negative. Nice, negative. Nice, negative. And now, after the downhill, he's in for the hardest part of the ski route, the long, flat part. He says, this is zero fun. This is zero fun. This is zero fun. As he finishes the flat part, he doesn't see well ahead, and all of a sudden he comes to the edge of a cliff. It's straight down. He finds a slope that is straight down, and so frightened is he that he says the worst curse word possible in math and in algebra. Undefined! This has been the Adventure of Slope Dude. Remember always what he said during his ski trip. Up the hill or up the slope, he said puff, puff, positive. On his downhill run, he said nice, negative. On the long flat part of the course, he said this is zero fun. And finally, when he went over the vertical cliff and straight down, he yelled the worst curse word of math and algebra. Undefined! The uphill is a slope with a positive number, the downhill is a slope with a negative number, the flat part is a slope of 0, and the straight up and down or vertical part is undefined. This has been the Adventures of Slope Dude. Special thanks to Kim Huey for inventing Slope Dude. Thanks for viewing.
So as you can see, that was a little corny, but I thought that was pretty good how to explain it with skiing. A little bit different than how I explained it. No slope was the same as zero slope. So no slope and zero slope are the same thing. So what I want you guys to do this week is I want you guys to take pictures of slopes that you see outside or in school. Send them to me. My email's on the screen. and we can download them from your device, and make sure you bring the proper cords to download it. And we're gonna see what types of slopes there are out there. Here's an example of my spring break trip. Here's a mountain in Boulder, and just looking at this slope of this mountain, what kind of slope would that be? Well, it's falling from left to right. So this slope of this mountain is a negative slope. It's a negative slope. So that's what you guys are going to be doing. And that's my little dog in the picture. He had fun climbing that. So that's what we're going to be doing this week. Anywhere you see slopes, take pictures of them. That'd be great. And we'll see you all tomorrow.